In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer XRP from Uphold to Robinhood. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In order to make this transfer, you need to gather your wallet address from Robinhood and set up the transaction on Uphold. So I recommend starting this on Uphold first. Either check your XRP balance and then select it from the list, or go over to the transact window, whatever you prefer. Now, once you tap on XRP or you go to transact, you have to select the XRP network here. So make sure that on the from option, you select XRP, and then you choose XRP as well. Immediately upon choosing XRP as the destination, you will be able to add your wallet address from Robinhood. If you already have this wallet address, then simply paste it here. Alternatively, if you still need to acquire it, then I'm going to teach you how to get this. Open the Robinhood app and then go to the XRP page so you can use the search function until you find XRP. Now, depending on the version of the app that you have, it's going to be a little bit different. If you have this layout, go all the way down and you will find the receive option at the bottom above buy and sell. Alternatively, if you have this newer one, when you tap on XRP, right underneath of the graph, you will see your balance here. So if you already have a little bit and you see your balance listed, then you can tap on this QR code icon, and this will also bring up the receive screen. So either scroll all the way down until you see send and receive, or tap on this icon. Even though it shows a QR code, you will still be given the wallet address that you can copy. So all that you have to do now is copy this wallet address. Copy the address, and now you will be able to go back to Uphold to finish making this transfer. I recommend sending a small amount first to make sure that everything was configured correctly. And once you receive that small amount, you can go ahead and send the rest, and you will be able to receive your XRP directly on Robinhood. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer XRP from Uphold to Robinhood. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.